Hi guys, do you know that tomato can be your go-to ingredient for your daily skincare regimen? That is if you know how to use it. Tomato is very good. It is an antioxidant. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and it also contains vitamin D. Tomato will help to brighten your skin. It will give you a radiant and a healthy skin. As an antioxidant, it will help to fight free radical and environmental pollutants to enable you have a young, radiant, and a supple skin. Tomato is very beneficial to the skin, especially if you know how to use it right. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants that help to strengthen your immune system, and also this tomato is capable of reversing aging signs on your face. It will fade wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video how to do this tomato marks. I'm going to add one secret ingredient also. I will teach you how to do the tomato marks that you can use on your skin to give you a radiant and a glowing, healthy, and a supple face. Okay, this tomato is so effective if you know how to use it the right way. Hey guys, so before we go into me demonstrating, showing you how to prepare the tomato face masks, I'll quickly tell us the benefits of using this tomato face masks. The first benefit of using this tomato face mask is that it will brighten your skin, especially for those of us that have dull and tired skin. This tomato face mask will help to brighten your skin, all thanks to the vitamin C that it contains. Vitamin C is big on brightening, so it will help to brighten your skin and give you a healthy, bright skin. Okay, that is the first benefit of using tomato masks on your skin. The second benefit of using tomato marks on your skin is that it will reverse aging. Yes, it will reverse aging. Tomato contains vitamin D, which is very effective in reversing aging. It will fade out fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. It will reverse aging. Okay, if you have aging signs on your skin, I will highly recommend that you prepare these tomato marks and be using it twice in a week, and you will see how young and beautiful your skin will be, because this tomato will help to reduce premature aging. Okay, the next benefit of tomato is that it tightens pores. This tomato will reduce pores on your skin. It will tighten pores on your skin and give you a tight face. It will reduce sagginess on your skin. Also, tomato will help to reduce sagginess on your skin. It will help to give you a tight skin. Okay, very important. This tomato will also help to maintain your skin pH level because it contains some acid. Tomato is somehow acidic, but these are very good acids that are good to the skin. So it will help to maintain your skin pH level and prevent acne and pimples on your skin. So if you have this acne prone skin, I would advise that you use this tomato face mask. Very important. Tomato face mask is something that everybody can use. It is meant for all skin type because of course tomato is a natural product. Okay, you can use this tomato face mask. It will really help you to, you know, give you a radiant and a glowing skin. Tomato will also help you to remove dead skin cells from your skin. Those dead skin cells are what make your skin to look really dull because they prevent products that you're using to penetrate into your skin. So this tomato will help as a natural exfoliator. Okay, it will help as a natural exfoliator. It will gently exfoliate your skin, open up your pores, and give you a radiant and a beautiful skin. Okay guys, I stated earlier that I'm going to talk about a secret ingredient that I'm going to add to this tomato to make a tomato mask for us. So the secret ingredient that I am going to use is honey. Okay, when you mix honey and tomato, guys, it brightens your skin. It gives you a healthy and radiant skin because honey has a lot of benefits to the skin. Okay, honey has a whole lot of benefit to the skin. So when you combine it with tomato, it gives you a healthy, rejuvenated, and a plump skin. All right guys, let me show you how to prepare these tomato and honey face masks. So you need one tomato, and of course you need your honey. Okay, so I'm going to cut this tomato. I have cut my tomato. This is it. I cut my tomato. Okay, the next thing that I will do is that I'll come in with my honey. I'll just pour this honey a little bit on the tomato. I'll pour it. That's it. Pour it on the surface of the of the tomato, rub it together. Then you just, are you seeing, use it on your face. The tomato is so juicy. The juice of this tomato will help you on your skin. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Rub it down to your neck, okay? Rub it down to your neck. If you have dark under eyes, please rub it there. This is what you do. You just rub it evenly on your skin. Rub it evenly on your face. This tomato will help to brighten your skin and give you a glowing skin. Now guys, you will leave it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Leave it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the juice to penetrate into your skin. This juice is also a mild and a natural exfoliator. It will help to exfoliate your skin. It will open up your pores, and at the same time it will tighten your pores, okay? It will give you a bright skin. Use this tomato paste twice or 3 times in a week. Learn to incorporate this tomato paste into your skincare regimen, and you'll be amazed at how good this tomato paste is. It is a natural skin brightening ingredient because it contains vitamin C. It is high in vitamin C, okay? So you can still do it again one more time, just so you get the effectiveness. This is your face mask, guys. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. So after washing it off, remember to use your moisturizer and your sunscreen, okay? All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Will you be trying this at home? This is a natural skin brightening mask that you can do at home. Will you be trying this? If you will be trying this, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you and have a fantastic time. Bye.